If you're already using digital marketing within your business and you're ready to take the next step to really scale and grow your business, and you want to maximize your digital marketing and ultimately drive better profits for your business, then this is the right course for you. In this one-day masterclass, we're going to be looking at advanced strategies whereby we'll be using the whole digital marketing mix from SEO to social media to drive lead generation, to reach a broader audience, and to convert more leads. We'll be taking your digital marketing to this next level, whereby you're probably already getting some good results, but we're going to be really looking at how to implement, manage, and measure it through the whole process. Now, with our proven, tried and tested strategies, we're going to be showing you not just how to get to the end result, but the most efficient and effective way of getting there. Now, in particular, this course will focus on automation, and it's going to look at taking some of the duplication out of the business and saving you time, money, and effort. We'll be looking at driving leads to your business and actually converting more of those leads. The automation will help obviously shorten the sales cycle and free up your team to be driving better strategies and having time to focus on developing the business as a whole.